Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very new and different kind of video for you guys. So today we are looking at apartments for rent within the $2,000 to $3,000 range. But here's the kicker. So we are looking at places with the maximum amount of bedrooms. So if you want to share and have some roommates in your New York spot, this is definitely the video for you. So let's check this spot out, which was posted only 16 days ago. It is $2,698 a month, and it is 7 bedrooms. So 7 divided by that per month is around $385 a month per person, which is pretty cool. And look at that square footage, over 3,000 square feet. All right, so let's check out these images. Great washroom and great kitchen before. All right, very nicely sized. Wow, so this is one of the rooms. It's actually much bigger than I thought. Wow, but this location is not in Manhattan or Brooklyn. It is farther out, so that does make a little sense as well. So this is the next one. This is, wow. This is the next room, the next room, the next room. This would be like the basement-ish area. Very large. We have another room here, another room here. Very nice. Wow, so the rooms are actually very, very large. I was thinking it would be puny small, like one room would probably be the size of this bathtub right here, but no, actually these rooms are quite spacious. Wow. So if we look at the location specifically, we are in Upper Clinton Hill, and in case you're not too sure where that is, this is it on the map right here, and you're gonna see Manhattan is, oops, let's go a little further. Manhattan and Brooklyn is in this area right here, so they're a bit further out on this side. So what I just realized is that first location is actually not in New York City, it's in New York. It's not within the New York boundaries, but we're still going to keep it in the video for comparisons to other space within New York City. All right, so this one was only posted a day ago. It's 4 bedrooms and it's $2,000 a month, so roughly $500 a month per person if we're gonna go with 4 people. All right, let's see. So this is the outdoor area, very nice. All right, so here is the back, very nice. So here's one of the rooms. Okay, great spot, nice closet with some shelves. Here's another space, very nice. Getting some good angle so that you can really see the length of everything. So here's the washroom. Wow, great living space here. Another angle, the kitchen, and possibly the courtyard. All right, so this is $2,000 a month. Let's check where this is. And you're in Archer, which has a 70 on the walk score and a 67 on the bike score. So the next spot was also posted one day ago, and it's $2,550 a month, 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom this time. So rent would be split with just $100 or so added to each person if you were going for 4 people. So here is one of the rooms. All right, so this is what we see. Oh wow, nice large space here. We've got the kitchen and the washroom. So there are 2 washrooms, but we've only been shown one of them. So we do have one missing, but that's okay. And let's check out the neighborhood where this is specifically. This is in East New York, and these are the scores. Comment below how many people you would be comfortable sharing a home with, and at which number do you think it's way too much. All right, our next one is also 4 bedroom and 1 bath. It is 1,200 square feet and $2,700 a month. Ooh, so here is the layout. Wow, very simple layout. Here would be the front door possibly. All right, let's check it out. Here's one of the rooms. Wow. Great space. Okay. Wow, all right. Great space here. The rooms. Closet space, that's nice. And your kitchen. Nice cupboards. And washroom. Love this material that they use for washrooms. Makes everything look very high-end. Very nice. All right, some more of the rooms. Excellent. We also have it here. That looks like the smallest room that they have in this spot. Very nicely built. So in comparison to what we saw in the first one, which was not in New York City, do you think New York City is way more expensive for those 7 bedrooms that you would get in another location? Comment below which spot you thought was really good, and if you have the chance, would totally go for it. And let us know if you like this kind of video. We're always doing a lot of apartment hunting videos on this channel, so let us know, and we shall see you in the next video.